Microsoft Windows 10, it's very easy to create shortcuts to your favorite websites. For example, right over here, I'm in my YouTube channel, and let's say I want to create a desktop shortcut for it. So for that, what I can simply do is I can select the URL and drag it out onto my desktop right over here. So once I drag it, you can see right over here that it has created a shortcut to my YouTube channel. So I can just double click right over here and I'll be taken on to that particular web page right over there, and I can access my files just like that. So you can do this with any browser of your choice as long as it's supported. Now what you can do is you can simply send this URL to any other. In order to edit the URL, you can right click and go to properties right over here and change it out over here as well. So let's say, for example, you want to remove TutorTube out altogether. You can simply close this out and apply, and then it has been changed just like that. You notice that this is a shortcut file right over here. So what you can also do is you can right click and create a new shortcut directly. So you can create a new shortcut right over here, and you can type in the location of the item. For example, you can type in http:// and then youtube.com/tutortube. So let me just do this right over here, and I'm going to press next. So now it says new internet shortcut, so I can press next, and you can see that this is the URL that is stored out. So I can just double click on this and my YouTube channel will open up just like that. And that is how you can create shortcuts to web pages in Microsoft Windows 10. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.